This is Tinley and Tucker's F1B Golden Doodle litter. They're 3 weeks old tomorrow. We're doing our video today so that everyone can start picking their puppies. I'm going to have Rich just pick them up one at a time so you can kind of see their color. That's the red ribbon male. And that's the pink ribbon female making the noise. Is that brown? Mm-hmm. And that's the brown ribbon male. You're shadowing. Okay. And this is the black ribbon male. Okay.
Green.
And this is the green ribbon male. And this is the orange and black ribbon male. And this is the pink ribbon female. The one making all the noise. I just had Holly here making her first pick, and they picked, yep, they picked this girl. Purple ribbon female. She is sold. And orange ribbon male.
Turquoise.
And the turquoise ribbon female. So the only one sold is this one.